everyone, and welcome to the Wednesday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson, and I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and our number one stock for today was actually in last night's video. We told everyone about RNAZ. They put out news after the bell that they had withdrawn its registration statement with the SEC. The company said the withdrawal reflects the company's belief that current market conditions are not conducive for an offering on terms that would be in the best interest of the company's stockholders. We said that news was indeed bullish. The stock opened at 59 cents, ran all the way to $1.17, so almost 100% gains in RNAZ. Meanwhile, we had an alert for subscribers in the pre-market. This one closed unchanged. We still like this one. If you want to get the full report, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And once you sign up in the welcome email, you can download the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Telegram chat rooms, no WhatsApp groups, or Discord rooms whatsoever. But in terms of the overall market right now, the S&P ended down for it was another down day on Wall Street. Investors remain leery. Stocks overall have been weighed down by a guarded approach to trading ahead of next week's Federal Reserve meeting on the 14th. Right now we're dealing with overall data has been strong, and that has undermined the hope that Powell and the Fed will start to pivot to a more dovish policy. That's unlikely. Many fear that the ongoing economic strength will continue fueling inflationary pressures, forcing the Fed to remain hawkish for far longer. That is the camp that I am in. I expect next week a 50 basis point rate hike, which is down from last month's 75 basis point hike, but they will still continue hiking in 2023 as economic data still remains strong. We had a good, strong employment report this month. So again, the data is not allowing the Fed to pivot at all. And right now, there's overall concerns. I mean, look at Carvana, CVNA. I wish I had puts on this one. This one's so disappointing. 52-week range, 274, down all the way, hit 355 today. There are concerns that this company is going to be declaring bankruptcy. There's already talk about its creditors. They're going to do they're trying to come to terms and work out if it does reach bankruptcy, that it's prepackaged. So again, the news is not good for Carvana. But the problem with this, and how I see for the overall market, there's always more than one cockroach. I mean, we just saw that with crypto. I mean, first you saw, this year we saw Terra Luna go under, then Three Arrows Capital, then Voyager, BlockFi, and most recently FTX. There's always more than one cockroach, and that's what contributes to the overall negative sentiment. So, I'm expecting a rough 2023. We are going to go into a recession. We had the news today, not news, but, idiot Kramer is saying that he doesn't see a recession, that people should be talking about the positives. This is the guy that said that everything, inflation was transitory. Again, the inverse Kramer ETF continues to work. If you do the opposite of this guy, he was rooting for the Phillies, Astros won. I mean, this guy is just completely wrong, and that has me concerned about the overall economy. But right now, everybody's talking about short squeeze plays, MMAT and MMTLP. Guys, I don't know what to tell you. I know everyone, it's like you guys were in the AMC, APES, expecting one day to wake up and AMC would be $1,000. We're seeing that with MMTLP, people thinking we're going to wake up and, it's going to be $100 or $500, whatever. That's just not going to happen. I mean, the shorts are not stupid. I don't like them. I hate what they do, but you can't say they're dumb. And if anyone says that the shorts are dumb, compare their bank account with yours, or, the person saying that they're dumb has no clue what they're talking about. I mean, look at Gabe Plotkin at Melvin Capital. Yeah, the GameStop short squeeze hurt him, put Melvin Capital out of business, but he still owns a piece of the Charlotte Hornets. He's still got a $40 million house in Miami on North Bay Road. He's flying around on a Gulfstream. I mean, Gabe's doing okay. And when Melvin went out of business, he just basically said, you know what, my investors, okay, you're screwed. We're down 50%. I'm just going to give you your money back because I don't want to work and have to remake your money back before I make my money back. So he's just basically converted himself to a family office. He's running his own money. He's doing fine. But, everyone's saying that the short squeeze in MMTLP is still coming, which it may. All I know is, we got the news that, the shares are going to be canceled on Tuesday. It's going to be, if you still are in MMTLP, you're going to get private shares in NextBridge Hydrocarbons on the 14th, which is Wednesday. I don't want to own shares. I have no position in MMTLP. I'm out. I played the squeeze. I'm out. I play squeezes, and then I move on to the next play. This was the squeeze. So it started here at $1.60 at open. It ran to over 12. This is the squeeze. Everyone's saying, I'm ready for the short squeeze. If you missed this move here, you missed it. This was the easy money. What I'm here, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to educate you and help you as much as possible. But when I trade, when I'm looking for alerts for our subscribers, we're looking for the easy play, the easy money. And the easy money has already been made in MMTLP. AMC, the easy money's been made. Look at it, just getting hit. APE, APE, GME, Bed Bath & Beyond. I mean, look at, these were the squeezes I talked. You can go to insiderfinancial.com, go into magnifying glass, look at any of our, type in any symbol, and you can see what I've said about it. CRTD, this was another squeeze. I'm not saying it's completely over, but the easy money's been already made. GTII, I mean, this one went from 69 cents to $9. We're back down to 83 cents. So, I mean, I'm showing you all these short squeeze plays. Do you see the pattern? FNGR, this was one we nailed for our subscribers. We started covering it $1, ran all the way to $9. We're at $4. The easy money's been made, and we need another catalyst to get these going. So again, there's always going to be short squeeze plays. The key is getting in at the right time when the catalyst is about to happen. Ride the wave and get out. You're not going to make, I didn't catch the whole move, but I caught a good chunk. And that's all I'm trying to do. Get in one play, move on to the next play. We're working to try and identify the next short squeeze plays. And if you are a subscriber, you will get that alert. So when I see that next short squeeze play, and I don't have anything on my radar, I mean, I'm watching a few things right now, but I don't have this, come out with conviction and do a full report and say, this is the next major short squeeze play. I'm always looking, but we'll see, But right now, if I'm in MMAT, MMTLP, the price action to me is not bullish. I saw a great quote the other day. Everybody's saying, don't fight the Fed. Well, before that, the real quote is, don't fight the tape. And the tape is the price action. And MMTLP is down 15%. MMAT, this one was high as 234, closed at 205. We're trading at $2 in the after hours. This is not bullish price action. So I think a lot of the shorts have already covered. They've gotten out. They know it's going private. They're not going to wait till the last minute to cover their short. There's plenty of volume. There's plenty of liquidity. There's no issues covering these short positions. So take it with a grain of salt. I may be wrong. You know, you guys may be millionaires next week in MMTLP. I won't. I'm still a millionaire, but you know, I won't be a millionaire from MMTLP. So good luck, guys. Lastly, a couple names watching for tomorrow. First up is PDPG. This one was up 157%. I think this one, they're still not done yet. And the reason being is that they massive share reduction in the outstanding shares. There was 414 million shares outstanding. Now there's just 114 million outstanding. This is a reduction of 72%. That is usually a sign that something big is about to happen. We're going to be getting news. Current market cap just $803,000, under a million. Low float, everything's set up right now. And this is what happened with GDVM. You had a massive share reduction, and this is what caused that move from, you know, 00.0039 all the way to 11 cents. So PDPG could just be getting started. I'm watching this one going forward. So definitely put it on your radar screen going forward. Lastly, two plays on the Nasdaq, MYSZ. They just announced that a 1 for 25 reverse stock split. Reverse stock split plays have been hot, so I'll be watching this one. And RENT, they came out with earnings after the bell, better than expected. They also guided higher, so expectations are that the low could possibly be in. We're closed at $1.36, low is $1.10. We're trading a little bit higher in the after hours, so RENT is one to watch for tomorrow on a bounce off of earnings. But overall, guys, you know, we're in December. It's the last month of the year. You know, what is there, 3 weeks left? Either you made money this year or you didn't. The last 3 weeks are not going to make or break your year, in my opinion. You know, either, like I said, either you made money this year or you didn't. We're also going to see a lot of tax loss selling. Volumes are going to dry up. So there are going to be some opportunities, you know, with the low volume. But, you know, right now you don't want to be loaded up with positions. You know, talk to your accountants, talk to your financial advisors, you know, do some tax loss selling, restructure your, you know, get your portfolio set for next year. And again, right now you gotta be scalping these plays, you know. Forget about diamond hands, paper hands, BS, you know, hold the line, you know. Whenever I see that, that just creates a lot of bag holders, and that's the last thing you want to be, is a bag holder. Tell that to the people at Carvana, CVNA. They're major bag holders, and you know, they've been buying the dip all along, and we're at 383, and we could still go lower. So especially if they declare bankruptcy. So again, guys, I wish I could be more bullish, but I'm just trying to keep it as real as possible and call it like it is. Lastly, guys, just remember, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. I want to wish everyone a great trading day tomorrow, and we'll be back live tomorrow after the bell with a new video update. Thanks for watching. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.